Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video for you guys, and this was a requested tutorial by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested baking soda fall short nails, so that is what I will be doing for you guys today. So right here I am pushing back the cuticles, and then I am going to be pouring in my baking soda onto a container of choice, and I'm gonna make sure that I grab any tool just to mix it and make sure that I'm eliminating all lumps and clumps from it, just for a more flawless application. And then remember to use any nail glue. I only recommend nail glue because that's all I ever use and it works excellent for me. Everything here is affordable. It's from the Dollar Tree except for the buffer, the nail tips, and the cuticle pusher. But yeah, here I am just sizing the nail tips, and now I'm just placing them on. And remember guys, if you guys want your nails to last, always remember to buff out the nails, remove the shine, prep and prime. I didn't show it here on the video because, like I've mentioned in the past, I do always place a peel off coat because I'm constantly filming for you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much always for the love and support I received down below. It means the world to me, and love you all very much. So now using a nail file, which this one I did get at the Dollar Tree, I'm just buffing away all the shine from the nail tips and blending it into my nail plate, along with shaping and filing. So here I begin to place the nail glue halfway through the nail, building it all the way up to the cuticle area. And by the way, I did do 3 coats of the baking soda. It's all personal preference. And by the way, avoid getting the product on your actual cuticles because that will prevent your nails from lasting a long time and it will cause lifting. And always remember to dust off the nails because then your brush will get hard. So this is a very important step because I myself have forgotten in the past. So here are what the nails look like after I am done with my 3 coats of baking soda, and now it's time to file and shape. So now I will begin to buff the nails until they are smooth and ready for polish and glitter application. So here are the polishes and top coat that I will be using. They are all from the Dollar Tree. They are great. I definitely recommend you guys go and check out your Dollar Tree store. Here are the glitters of my choice that are also from the Dollar Tree. I just placed them into containers. So here I'm going in with my first coat of polish. I did apply 2 coats in total. So I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial, and now I will let you enjoy the video. Here I will be using the top coat to adhere the glitter, so I am just placing some on the nail, avoiding the skin area, and then I will just grab a little scoop that I had laying around, and I will just begin applying the glitter right onto the nail, and then I will go in again with the top coat for the second time, apply it on top of the glitter, and go in for the second coat of glitter. Here I just begin to repeat the same process for the rest of the glitter nails. And I will be getting to the rest of the requested tutorials. It is just taking me some time, but I will do them for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial, and I can't express it enough how grateful I am for each and every one of you guys. It really makes me happy that I can genuinely help other people or just simplify your life while creating beautiful nails at home for an affordable price. So now I will just begin to apply the top coat to all the nails, and then I will apply my cuticle oil, which I did apply off camera, and that is all. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.